Assalamu alaikum, this is Saklan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video we are going to discuss about Radical. Binance will list Radical today on 7th October 2021. What is Radical? RAD is Ethereum based token that powers Radical. RAD token can enable reduced or zero fees when interacting with Radical smart contracts in addition to governance through voting and proposals. Radical's max supply is 100 million and in circulation there is 21 million and market cap is about 392 million. After the announcement of listing on Binance, it got a huge pump. Before the announcement, it was accumulating around $9. As Binance announced it's going to list Radical on its exchange, its price got huge pump and it went to around $25 and its current price is $20 and its ranking is 231. Let's see on which exchanges you can buy it. You can buy it from Binance, Huobi Global, Coinbase Exchange, Uniswap, Gate.io. Let's discuss in detail about the Radical. Radical is a network for decentralized coding collaboration based on open protocols. It allows developers to collaborate on code without having to rely on third parties. Radical was created to give comparable capabilities to centralized code collaboration platforms while maintaining its peer-to-peer nature. What is Git? Git is a software for tracking changes in any sets of files usually used by programmers. Radical uses Ethereum for unique worldwide names, decentralized organizations, and protocol that enables open source work. Radical Link is a peer-to-peer replication mechanism based on Git. Radical links add peer-to-peer discovery to Git by spreading data through a mechanism known as gossip. Radical Link uses Git Smart Transfer Protocol to maintain Git's data replication efficiency while providing worldwide decentralized repository storage via the peer-to-peer network layer. Developers may exchange and collaborate on Git repositories without depending on middlemen such as hosted servers, since all data on the network is kept locally by peers on the network. How Radical is different from GitHub? Let's discuss. Collaborating on Radical is slightly different than collaborating on centralized code collaboration platforms like GitHub and GitLab. Number 1, the Radical stack is open source from top to bottom. There are no closed components. Every component of the Radical stack is auditable, modifiable, and extendable. Radical is built entirely on open protocols. There are no special servers, privileged users, or companies in control of your collaboration. Radical is based on peer-to-peer architecture instead of a client-server model. Radical is not global by default. Instead, the social graph of peers and projects you track determines that what content you see, interact with, and replicate. Radical is designed for bazaar-style development. This means that within projects there is not a single master branch that contributors merge into. Instead, peers maintain their own views of projects that can be fetched and merged by other peers via patches. Radical replaces the org functionality of centralized forges and their hierarchical admin models with decentralized organization on Ethereum. Radical is a self-sustained and community-owned network, not a corporation. Its governance is organized by a token called RAD that lives on Ethereum. How you can use Radical? The easiest way to use Radical is with Upstream, a desktop client developed by the founding team of the Radical project. With Upstream, you can create an identity, host your code, and collaborate with others on the Radical network. Let's check about the future price of the Radical, how far it can go. On coin perspective, if Radical had XRP market cap, 1 RAD would be worth 2,416, an upside of 119x. If it attains the market cap of Bitcoin, 1 Radical will equals to 48,000. If Cardano, it will be equals to 3,546. If Dogecoin, it will be equals to around 1600. If it attains the market cap of SHIB, it will be equals to 806. If it attains atom, one radical will equals to 479, V chain 369, X infinity 369, FTX 327. So this was our today's video.